In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your data validation rules in 3 easy ways right here in Google Sheets. So I have this example where 3 of my columns are type of values that I can turn into dropdowns. Now, when you do your dropdowns, this is actually a criteria under data validation. Therefore, with our first method, if I select this range right here, right-click on it and select dropdown, it would automatically open the data validation rules on the right side. And it also has quickly converted my data into a dropdown, each of them having those unique values from that range already set as an option for your dropdown. Our next method would be to again select the same range. This time we're going to go to Insert in the menu bar and select again dropdown. Of course, because that is a criteria under our data validation rules, it will still open the same thing on the right side. That is your data validation rules. And that's our second method. For our final method, if we select this range right here, go to Data in the menu bar and select Data Validation right here. That's between your column stats and your data cleanup. It will open your data validation rules, but it will not automatically turn your data into a dropdown. You would have to go to Add a Rule right here. If you have existing data validation rules, it will also show them right above. If you don't, then the only options that you would have would be Add a Rule. So if we add a rule right here, again, the pre-selected criteria for our data would be a dropdown. It has pulled out all the unique values from that range where we have it converted into our options for our dropdown. And there you have it. Those are 3 easy ways on how you can open your data validation rules on the right side here in Google Sheets. Now, of course, with our data validation rules, dropdown is not the only criteria. If I go to Add a Rule right here, go to the dropdown for the criteria, here we have the different type of data validations that we can do depending on what type of data we have. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.